Oddly enough, what we call the startup, it's actually the last process of the swimming pool installation and marks the start of taking care of your pool. Whether it's a plaster or aggregate finished surface, they're all what we call decorative finishes, and all pool plasters use cement-based formulas. In this final process, water gets added to the pool and chemical reactions occur with the plaster or the cement finish. This will create several chemistry anomalies. At this time, the curing process of the plaster will start and the water balance race begins. We have taken a strong position in conjunction with the National Plaster Council that plasters, builders, service companies, even startup technicians make pre-testing the water source a mandatory requirement and essential to pool plaster procedures. All of this will help minimize the likelihood of surface issues, whether it's a new pool or renovation. Even if your pool water needs recycling and is just being drained due to a high mineral content or high pool conditioner levels. After testing the water, we need to follow the approved industry methodology and balance and cure the plaster. So stick around and learn how we do exactly that. Hi, I'm JC, founder and CEO of J Designs Pool & Spa. We've been educating homeowners since 2008 in proper industry practices to ensure success in every aspect of their pool installation. First, let's talk about the water that is used to fill your pool. In many areas of the country have undergone significant changes in the potable water sources that are delivered from local municipalities or well water to your home. These issues make the water unbalanced and in most cases have the minimum sanitation levels approved by the CDC or local health departments. In general, there are three common things tap water will bring to your pool. Number one, low levels of calcium hardness, low alkalinity, and even high pH in some cases, so it's a mixed result. These combined levels of calcium hardness, low alkalinity, or high pH can lead to scaled surfaces. Even dissolved metals in the water that are a leading source of staining and discoloration of surfaces and grouts. This is a result of the tap water distributed usually through metal pipes and release all kinds of particles into your pool that may contain metals or even organics that need to be treated, preferably as they enter the pool during the fill process. The pool capacity in gallons, the filling time, and evaluating the tap water initial results should all be mandatory as it enforced by most manufacturers of brand name surfaces like PebbleTech. Here at J Designs, after evaluating all these factors, we have adopted this action plan, including the LSI. LSI is a water quality index, and it's the industry method to evaluate the proper chemistry levels that are safe for bathers and pool surfaces. As you can see in this video, we have an external heavy gauge chemical resistant barrel that will become our chemical tank or container, and it will also be the mixer tank. As the filled water enters the barrel, there are several components that are going to be mixed or diluted and gravity fed into the pool to achieve optimal water balancing. You're probably wondering, so what exactly goes in this barrel? We primarily will dilute calcium chloride, which will raise the calcium to appropriate levels. Other adjustments and products are also needed to prevent calcium hydroxide, commonly known as plaster dust, to form in the water. Contact your pool contractor and ask him if he also has been planning and implementing this in your pool project. The objective here is to simultaneously bring the pH down while raising the calcium hardness with pre-dissolved chelated calcium. In either case, it needs to be corrected and be in recommended range. Here you can see how we have tested the tap water to identify how well balanced or not the water is. Either the water is corrosive or it's in a scale range, and those are the parameters we seek to balance immediately as the pool is being filled. This process aims to stop the bleeding of calcium hydroxide from plaster and get your startup chemistry and water balanced within hours after the pool is completely full. As we will observe in the following days after the pool was filled, the water will continue to seek its own balance, and we will need also to adjust these levels continuously to balance the water until proper levels or LSI is reached. If your pool water is well balanced, the water will be healthy and you will enjoy a beautiful pool finish for many years to come. Additional brushing and vacuuming the plaster to remove any remains of dust will be necessary as the water is being balanced, and this may take anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks. As soon as this occurs, a professional service company should take over the duties and responsibilities of the upkeep as well as the preventive maintenance required in your pool. These procedures are also discussed by many manufacturers, and they're part of their warranty package. Check our website, jdesigns.com, for more educational material regarding the different steps of building and maintaining your pool. Now you're aware of the pitfalls of filling a pool without proper immediate water balancing, and what to expect during your startup. Ask your contractor about this process and have your startup technician on site as the pool is filling, and not after. I'm JC with J Designs Pool and Spa, and thank you for watching.